And let's bring in our good friend, Dr. Joe Congini, Sports Medicine Center at Akron Children's Hospital. Good morning, Joe.
Hi, Ray. How you doing?
I'm doing great today. With this weather we've been having, how can we not be doing well?
Yeah, how could we not be doing well? This weather is great, and the excitement, I want to give people a little sense of the excitement of the sports medicine team and what's going on down at the Sports Medicine Center this time of year. This is really what we get geared up for. All those years and time of preparation to be ready for this time of year. It's really, really exciting, Ray, I have to tell you. And so as we get ready for the start of another high school season, we're involved in the college setting is a new thing a little bit more this year at the University of Akron, and youth sports. It's really, really an exciting time. And it's not just a football thing. It's every sport. There's so many fall sports, soccer and volleyball, golf and tennis, cross country and spirit teams with the cheerleaders and so many different things that our team is really, really, really excited about that. You know, there's this sense of urgency that we get caught up in down at our office. Everybody wants to know about return to play from injuries. You know, when can I get back? How can I get back as quick as I can? We get caught up in it too. It's really exciting. It's a feeling of competition, and our whole team is just so geared up. If I could tell you, gosh, 35 athletic trainers we have this year going out to high schools, and like I said, to the University of Akron and colleges. 15 physical therapists ready to rehabilitate these injuries, 12 primary care docs, our nurse practitioner that specializes in concussion, our sports psychology team, sports nutritionists, 12 pediatric orthopedists. Hopefully we don't need them, but in certain cases we know there's cases that need surgery for their athletes. So our team is confident, they're experienced, they're hardworking, and there's just so much excitement this time of year. What we really want to do is help kids be safe, but also have a chance to reach for their dreams. And this time of year, you can see it in the faces of the kids, and it's contagious, and we get caught up in it too. You know, we get to be outside the friendly confines. Not a lot of doctors get to do that, but we get to be outside at places where the kids actually play the sport. You know, there's no X-ray machines. There's no MRI machines. We have to use our skill and our knowledge and what we've learned about sports medicine to decide, could this kid play? Should this kid play or sit? Does this kid need to come down for further X-rays and maybe even further imaging like MRIs? So we're ready to use all that knowledge to help kids reach their goals. You know, there's a thing in sports medicine called the golden period, and that's the first 30 minutes after an injury. You get so much better of an exam, and, you know, all of it, if you're looking at college athletes, pro athletes, and high school kids, the big injury, tearing the ACL, and it's really to know the difference between somebody who just strained a knee, who just had a little MCL injury or a kneecap injury, or did they have an ACL injury? That first 30 minutes is really a helpful time for the examination. You know, it's 6 hours or 12 hours or 24 hours. There's swelling and pain and spasm, and it's a lot harder to evaluate them. So being on the sidelines, being on the field, being, like I said, outside of the friendly confines is exciting to our team. And so our team is just brimming with excitement today, and I just wanted to share a little bit of that excitement that we have as we get into another sports season in this great location for sports, especially high school sports, the greater Akron area. There's not many much better in the country than the place that we live in right here.
Yeah, busy time as well. We got high school football week 1 starting this week, and of course soccer and all the other fall sports. It is a busy time for the athletes, parents, and Joe, as you mentioned, the medical staffs all around the area as well. Good stuff this morning, my friend. Thanks for jumping on board. We'll catch up with you again next week.
All right, Ray, thanks. Have a great week, okay?
You too. Dr. Joe Congini, Sports Medicine Center, Akron Children's Hospital with us this morning.